Constitution 2010. It is a gift that has ensured that parts of this country that had never seen any development have been able to see development. We devolve fiscal responsibilities and political power. Unfortunately, as I've said, there had to be a situation in Nairobi where some of that was moved back to the national government, but today all the functions are back to the people of Nairobi. The lady in Mutwini, who is going to the dispensary or the hospital there, needs to hold to account somebody who she has voted in. So does the young man in Kayole, so does the father in Mihango. That is the power of devolution. It's based on the principle of subsidiarity, that a function is best offered at the lowest level compatible with the beneficiary of that service. Of course, it is a relationship. Devolution is not about the national government or about the county government. It is about both working together. And I've been assured from very high sources, and let that announcement be made by the right person, that there will be a State Department of devolution to continue with the work that has been done. It is that important. And for us in Kenya Kwanza, bottom up means devolution. And you're right, Waziri Eugene. And I'm very happy that you also know bottom up, you know, and that you believe in it. Waziri Eugene is my big brother, and we joke a lot together. We really missed him on our side, but sasa maisha ni hiyo, tuende mbele pamoja. I really want to honor the NMS and the staff at NMS. You did a good job despite challenges. I know in the beginning there were a lot of challenges with this side, but I want to encourage you that we still need a lot of your work. I want to urge my staff in Nairobi City County Government and those who are coming back that you are all now one. There is no former NMS staff and former county government staff. You are all staff of the Nairobi County Government, and you will work together as equals. So watu wa hapa muwakaribishe wote ambao walikuwa wameenda na wale ambao pia walikuwa wameajiriwa. We will have space for everybody. I want to assure the nurses, because many of them felt that when NMS goes, that they will go home. We still need you. We need you to serve our people. Ultimately, every action we take, every activity we engage in, is focused on the people of Nairobi, and we're going to act in their best interest at every turn. So karibuni sana, tumarudisha City Hall. Kujeni hapa tufanye kazi. When I came to City Hall, I found amazing people. My first meeting, Waziri, was not with the directors and the chief officers and the CECs. I met the staff. Around 10,000 staff of Nairobi were at the square behind there, listening to me. The first thing they said is that they have never been addressed by a governor. The second thing they say is that whenever they gather there, it is to strike, not to consult. And I told them, because this is not your bottom up, I will start with them. And I opened for them suggestion boxes for the staff, where I personally open and receive the letters and I read. I want to thank you, all of those who've written, because you have told me a lot of things. Najua wadosi saa ingine wanaficha, lakini ni wazuri. But I've gotten a lot of information about the county, and you will see action being taken as we move along. I want us to see ourselves as one family, tasked with the gift of stewardship over the people of Nairobi. We made promises. We went to the people. I want to see all of us as partners in delivering to the people of Nairobi. Let's remember the common person in Nairobi. Nairobi is going to be great. This is Africa's capital, and we must make sure it shines as a city of order, a city of dignity, a city of hope and opportunities for all. We want to make it easier for people to do business and not to stifle their business. In fact, in the coming week, we're going to sit down with all the informal traders in Nairobi, because I know now that they saw mtu ya bottom up ameingia, they are everywhere. We will sit with them and agree on how to organize their work, because all they are doing is trying to eke out a living for their people. I have said, let them not be harassed, but let them be facilitated. Once we agree on the streets that the hawkers are going to operate from and the timing they're going to operate from, they shall be left to operate. They'll be each given a number, and they will do their work. In the last 1 month, we've been able to try, without my MCAs, and I'm happy they're there, without the new cabinet in Nairobi. But I want to thank those we partnered with. we've been able to collect more than 54,000 tons of garbage that had filled the streets. I'm sure when you walk around you see some changes, sindio? Takataka inachukuliwa. Every day we are doing 2,100 tons, and now once the MCAs pass the budget, we are going to reconfigure the method with which we are going to clean the city. Nairobi must be clean, Nairobi must be sparkling. We've been able to start the recarpeting of 22 roads, starting with the sunken parking. We have now lit up the CBD. If you walk in the evening, you can see there's a change. The